How to fix taskbar overlapping issue in Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that solves the problem for many users. First, right-click anywhere on the taskbar. From the menu, select Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, make sure you're on the Processes tab. In the search box at the top, type Windows Explorer. When Windows Explorer appears in the list, right-click it and select Restart. Your screen may briefly flicker and the taskbar might disappear for a few seconds. This is completely normal while Windows Explorer restarts. Once the taskbar reloads, check whether the overlapping issue has been fixed. If the problem still persists, restart your computer and test the taskbar again after Windows boots up. If restarting doesn't resolve the issue, make sure Windows 11 is fully updated, as display and taskbar bugs are often fixed in the latest updates. That's it! You've successfully learned how to fix the taskbar overlapping issue in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.